I think we are in a stage that our blog is quite stable and it's in a good shape. However, we can do some improvement. So let's just go through the improvements. One of the thing is we can add the pagination on the bottom of the page. So we can use pagination if we need, because if we have more and more blogs, then our scroll will be very long and we can just use the pagination. The next thing is when we come here and let's say we are in the Let's Validate blog, we don't really need to show the current blog here in a list of other relevant or related blogs. So we can get rid of this one as well if we want. And then as I also mentioned, we can add the validation in the blog edit because we at the moment we have the validation in the blog create, but we can do the same thing as the blog edit. So we can do the validation. And also in a blog create, we are checking the local storage if the local storage user is valid. So as I mentioned before, we can add that validation in app.js, and app.js will check it all the time for us, and we don't need to just repeat ourselves for different components. And one more thing is, let's say at the moment, if we are going to create another blog with the let's validate, which we definitely know this one already exists, so we will have the same slug. So that's an issue. So we can also fix this one, and then we can say we can check if this slug already exists before creating or before updating. Just go and create or just add some like a random number at the end, or just show some error message and let the user to update or change or choose a new title. So these improvements can be done later on in the course, and I'm hoping to do all of them in a bonus section in the future.